Hey everybody, this is David with Isohorns, and today I want to show you what I've been working on with SkyNet. SkyNet built the first WISP platform that uses Wi-Fi 7 technology, but they built it for their own internal use so that they could start a WISP. And I've been helping them build cloud management so that other ISPs can use their WISP platform as well. And while it's still early, I'm super proud of what we've built so far. So let's take a look. You can log in with just your email address, and it sends an email with a login link. And there it is. Click here to log in, and it takes you to the dashboard. And then you can go to the lists, and it'll show you all of your devices, and then we've got these two online devices right here, so let's go there. Take a look at the summary of this device. You've got an image of the device. You can see the status of the interfaces. This is a quad band, so you've got 2.4, 5, 6 low, 6 high. You can see the online availability of the device over the last 30 days. You can see the signal strength of the connected stations. You can see the traffic data. So this is the data moving across the WAN interface. You've got the total data for the last 30 days, both in terms of download and upload, and then latency over the last 24 hours as well. But what I'm really proud of is our latency chart that has more detail. So this is a ping latency monitor, and it is pinging 1.1.1.1, which is a Cloudflare DNS server. And you can see it has 0 packet loss, which also shows up here in the color coding. And this is a Starlink connection. So you can see that there's some variability to it, but overall it's pretty good. On average, the pings are below 40 milliseconds, with the exception of this one right up here where it was around 100 milliseconds. But you can see the range of pings over time. And this is very similar to Smokeping because it was modeled after Smokeping, which I think is one of the best tools for network operators to instantly tell the performance of their network by looking at the Smokeping charts. But what's different about this is Smokeping is a server pinging endpoints. And if the location of the endpoints changes, if the DNS changes or the IP address changes, then you end up with gaps in the charts, and you have to go in and manually edit the targets file to update the endpoints to their new locations, update the targets. But with ISPApp, you've got the device pinging the servers and then reporting the results of that to the cloud server. And so you're less likely to end up with gaps in the data because devices change locations. They will automatically continue pinging the server even if their IP address changes, even if there's DNS changes. And so the other nice thing about this is here from the dashboard, you can add a new target. So you can ping an internet server, and then you can ping a gateway from the perspective of the device. And that will allow you to instantly see if the latency is occurring on the local side of the network or on the internet side of the network, if it's a LAN issue or a WAN issue. So super proud of this chart. We're continuing to develop it, but I think that this is going to be great. Thanks for watching.